Welcome to my another YouTube tutorial. Let's try pixel stretch effect in Photoshop. If you want to try this using the same image, I just dropped the image link in description. Let's get started. Tutorial a quick one. Now we are choosing this image. Now click on the marquee tool, mark a certain portion on this image. I choose this path. Now click on Command J. Make sure this is moved to the separate layer. With this layer selected, now go to Edit, Transform. You can find the distort option. With the help of this option, you can just increase the play with the width and height a lot. I think this will be perfect for our effect. This is good. This is good. Now click it. Again, make sure the layer is selected. Click on filter. You can find distort. Under distort, there is polar coordinates. This effect going to help us a lot. Initially, we can't find anything in this layout. Make sure the rectangle to polar is selected. Now just press on this negative button. Now our polar coordinate started to visible. Click OK. Yeah, this is too small, but we can't make a scale down. Like now, with this layer selected, click Command key, increase this, and you can also play with the skew around a bit. I think this is perfect for us. Now we need to make sure the opacity is reduced so we can erase off the image. Yeah, it's good. Now with the eraser tool selected, we can start erase it off. Okay, now again bring back the opacity. Now you see this has attained the desired result. Okay, I just make this tutorial a quick one, so hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will post the tutorials every week.